post is complete. All I have to do is come back tomorrow once the paint is dry and bolt it down to the footer. Really happy with how it turned out. Bit of a mess in here. Just got everything bolted down tonight. So with everything drilled and bolted down, this post is officially done. And since it's done, I need to finish putting in these two king studs and the blocking on that end. And then I'm gonna go upstairs and start putting that wall in tonight. Blocking installed over here. Blocking installed over here. So that's looking good, nice and sturdy. And then blocking installed over here as well, namely right there and right there. So with that, I am ready to start putting some weight on this wall here. It's getting late on this Sunday, but I'm gonna keep going. What you can see is even more supports in the attic. Let me give you a more front-on view. So you can see the original purlin braces plus the ones I added. Now to the right of them, I've added these vertical supports straight to the ceiling joists. So that's gonna allow me to take out this existing purlin temporarily and put in a double purlin that's going to be directly above the new load-bearing wall. And all that load will be transferred from the roof to the basement very nicely. I will get going on that next. about 11 p.m. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Everything is such a mess, but within the next few days, this part of the house is gonna look totally different. Good evening. Tonight I'm going to be working on putting in this purlin. It'll extend out into the family room there, and it'll come back to the office, and it'll go right up here. I'm very much calling it a night, but I want to give you guys a quick tour of what happened today. You probably saw most of it in the time lapse, and honestly, it doesn't even look very exciting, but I unlocked a lot of potential tonight and paved the way for what is to come. Most notably, these vertical purlin braces and this double purlin that you can see. That is installed, and I've got it installed all the way up to the end here. Previously, that was sagging a lot. In fact, you'll be able to see the same thing with the purlin going in the other direction here. It's just sagging a ton and really isn't even doing anything. So I'm going to re-support, I'm basically gonna replace that and put in a new purlin over here and get everything properly supported. So that's gonna be fantastic. Just give you a front side shot of that purlin wall. Look how beautiful that thing is. I'm really happy with how it came out. You can see the load is carried all the way down here. And again, that load is carried by the double tubatins and that metal post from the basement. So that's great. So it doesn't look like much happened, but I'm very happy with what happened tonight. I'll see you in a couple of nights, because tomorrow I have a Red Rocks concert to go to. It's John Williams with the Colorado Symphony. I'm excited to support the arts, and it's gonna be fun. So I'll be back in 2 days, and I will continue with that purlin wall over there.